Three young men charged with the murder of Firestone High School student Ethan Liming faced a judge in court today. Liming was beaten to death during a fight outside the I Promise school.
As News 5's Bob Jones reports, a relative of one of the suspects is suggesting this was self-defense, but police don't see it that way.
Your Honor, this is Deshaun Stafford, 22 CRA 4175, murder and felonious assault.
One by one, three members of a family appeared in court and pleaded not guilty. Deshaun and Tyler Stafford, who are brothers, are charged with murder and felonious assault, as is their cousin Donovan Jones. Police say they are responsible for the beating death of Firestone student-athlete Ethan Liming on June 2nd near the basketball courts of the I Promise school. His parents have been calling for justice since then.
The ugliness that we have seen, the good is so much brighter, and this community is full of compassion, and we're so thankful for them.
Police say Ethan was with a group of friends, and at least one of them fired a toy gun, this splatterball water bead blaster, at the men playing basketball. That led to a fight and the beating that killed Ethan. John Sin is the attorney for Deshaun Stafford.
But I would ask you to take into consideration that these boys were on the basketball court, unarmed, doing what we want them to do, playing basketball, when kids from outside the neighborhood came in a vehicle, spraying them with this crazy paintball gun.
Tyler Stafford's aunt believes it was a case of self-defense.
If somebody was shooting at me and I didn't know what it was, yes, I would react. Would it go that far? No. But I can't speak on their behalf.
But police say nothing justifies what happened to Ethan.
We don't believe that the initial actions of that horseplay or utilizing that splat gun would rise to the level, would justify the level of that outcome.
Akron police say a $30,000 reward, including $25,000 from private donors, made a big difference in the case. Investigators believe several people may now be eligible for a portion of that money.
I'm told 3 or more separate people identified or provided information that led to the identification of the subjects.
Bond for all 3 suspects was set at $1 million.
This is not a laughing matter. Everybody's losing in this situation. A life is lost, and it's lives in there that's about to be gone.
According to his family, Ethan dreamed of going to Ohio State, and his parents are now focused on establishing a scholarship in his honor.
We'll go through for a Akron senior from Firestone that's an athlete that has collegiate dreams.
In Akron, Bob Jones, News 5.